Where to find deleted text messages on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Deleted text messages are different according to your device. So, go to the message default text message app on your device. In my case, I have Google Messages. So I'm simply going to click on it, and for the Google Messages, there is no deleted text available. As you can see, if I delete this text by clicking on it and deleting, it will directly permanently delete. But if you have other options, you can simply click on your profile and you may find your trash icon here as well. And sometimes it will be in archived as well. So make sure you check archive as well. And it is different to all the other devices as well. You can go to the settings and turn on trash icon as well if you have it in your device. And this is where to find deleted text messages on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.